Well, every single week pretty much has been profitable for like, I don't know, for like a year and a half. We haven't had a bad week in a while. We're not perfect. It's just that we're more experienced every day. Not just me, people in the groups as well. But question in this video is, do you want to quit day trading? Like, do you? Reason why I'm asking you this is because I know trading is hard. I know it's complicated. Let me just give you some of my thoughts. And after this video, you can decide whether you want to quit or you want to keep on trying. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today we're gonna talk about quitting. Yep, let's talk about quitting day trading in general. We can make a decision. Maybe this business is for you. Maybe this is not for you. Maybe you should do something else. But after this video, you should have a clear answer for yourself, not for me, for yourself. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into Forex, crypto, any type of making money online, this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button below. Let's begin. All right, let me start by telling you that I've been doing this for 10 years now. Well, 10 years, I'm gonna be, 10 years doing it. And on April 9th, this channel is gonna be 10 years old. I can say that I have enough experience on the good and on the bad side of day trading. And therefore, I can give you an honest opinion. I can't really tell you what to do. I can tell you my opinion. I can tell you what I think, the pros and cons of this business. And I can tell you what type of person makes it in this world and what type of people don't make it. Based on my experience, I'm not saying you can't make it, but based on my experience, average wise, this is what happens. There's one type of trader, well, there's a bunch of, but let me just give you the types. The first type of trader is that trader that is always positive. That is always positive, saying, doesn't matter if he makes or he loses money. He's like, okay, this is the business. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna do good. I trust my gut. And like every New Year's, he's like, I don't know, this year I'm gonna make it. He loses money, but don't worry, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. That's actually really, really good. It's one of the hardest personalities that you can actually have and like find in the world. If you have one person like that in your company, in your team, don't never let it go. That is the hardest type of person that you can find. Can that person make it on day trading? So if you're one of those people, don't get discouraged, don't close the video and don't throw hate on the comments. I'm gonna tell you why and what I would do to fix that. How my students have been actually like dealing with that type of behavior and changing it. Why these type of people can't make it on day trading. Being positive is not gonna change the market. Being positive is not gonna teach you anything. It helps you wake up in the morning, get up, work out, be positive and smile. That's awesome. That's priceless. But that doesn't change the market. That doesn't make you adapt to the market. I'm not saying it's wrong. All I'm saying is that being positive is not gonna make a difference in the market. How can you change that? You're gonna learn it when I tell you the type of person that can actually make money in this business. Number two type of person that can't make it when it comes to Forex. The opposite, the negative. The people who are like, oh my God, the market scammed me. The price is being manipulated. This is going wrong. I put a buy position, it retracts, and he's like, I was right. Something weird happened, but I was right. The problem with this type of people is their ego. You know, they're arrogant and market doesn't give a damn whether you are too confident or not. And the market's never wrong. We are never wrong. We just happen to exist and the market happens to exist. The market doesn't have to do what you want it to do. And you don't have to be happy or sad because of what the market did. It's just the way it is. These type of people will always complain about, I have these people like for years. The signals are, I even had this comment right, like in a refund from someone in the signals group. The signals are not professional. What is professional? Like I'm giving you the entry, the stop loss and the take profit and a picture of what I'm seeing. What is professional? If you want professional means I have to give you the analysis, how I got there, my story, how I studied, how I traded in 2022, how I learned. Nah. Professional? That is professional. But the people will always complain. This type of people will always complain on everything. If you are more professional, they will tell you, you're giving too much information. Just tell me when to enter. Because I got those complaints as well. I even got complaints saying, why I always losing? You are making money. They don't care about the spread. They don't care about slippage of the broker or anything. So this type of people, 99.9% will never make it. Never. Unless they change, of course. They can always change. But most likely they won't. They'll start doing something else instead. The third type of people who will never make it on Forex or day trading in general. The people who think there is a key in this business that can make a difference between driving a Honda and driving a Lamborghini. You know what I mean? People who are every day thinking, okay, I'm going to find the key that is going to change everything. Like one day you were making $0, the next day you're making $10,000 a day. The problem with this type of people is that they follow the wrong gurus, the wrong influencers, the wrong YouTube channels. I've never shown anything like that because that's not real. Some people were actually making fun of me like 5 years ago because I bought an actual Honda. Even though it was a new car, people were like, why are you driving a Honda? You don't seem like a successful trader. And I'm like, okay, a successful trader is also a successful investor. If you don't know how to invest, you don't know how to trade. And therefore, I invest on real estate. I invest on Bitcoin. The problem with these type of people is that they always think the people who are making the money, they always think we're hiding something. And I always get the comments like, you're not telling us everything because I tried this and it doesn't work. So you're hiding something from us. And I'm like, if I wanted to hide something from you, I wouldn't have a YouTube channel in the first place. If I wanted just your money, I would sell courses for like $1,000. Did you know that my courses are free? 100%. The majority of traders online actually sell their courses for like thousands of dollars. Mine is 100% free. Why would I hide something from you if I'm giving it everything for free? My signals are charged. Yeah, you're charging. Of course, I'm giving you my time. Why would I not charge you? Like if I'm gonna give you my time 100% free, I'm kind of dumb. Oh no, because you're trying to help people. I'm helping people every day. Free videos right here on my channel. I don't have to give everything for free. Plus charging $29 a month, man, that's not gonna make me rich at all. So this type of people will always think that they're missing something. And yes, they're missing something, but it's not a secret. Now, I'm going to tell you the type of person that makes it on this business. And I have tons of those people in my groups, in my signals, in my list of subscribers right here. The type of person that makes it in this business is the type of people who understand that this is just a business. Wow, you didn't say anything, Chris. 10 minutes, you haven't said anything. How do you take care of a business? If you actually open a shoe store, I always wanted a shoe store, by the way. I might have one in the future. You open a shoe store. When you go into the shoe store, you have a target for the day because you have a target for the week and because you have a target for the month, right? So let's say that your target is to sell $1,000. Well, it's too much probably. I'm not sure really. I haven't had a business like that. Let's say $300 a day in shoes, like cheap shoes. I don't know about this, but let me just give you some random numbers. $300 a day. That's your target, right? So you push towards that target, but you stay in your own routine, right? So you go every day, you open at 9 a.m. You close at 7 p.m. You do that every single day. Some days you reach the 300. Some days you don't reach the 300. Some days you make 600. Probably December, which is the most successful month in sales every year, you make 900. And then you recover, and as an average, you have a $300 a day. So that's like what, $9,000 a month, something like that. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm just giving you round numbers. When you have a shoe business like that, or any type of business, you have a plan, you have a routine, and you stick to it. The day you lost, let's say, instead of selling 300, a pair of shoes actually came, I don't know, you dropped paint into it, so you ruined it and you lost 100. You don't actually start going to the streets with your shoes trying to recover the 100, right? You don't do anything desperate. You stick to your routine. The type of person that makes it in this business is the people who treats this business as a business. You have a routine. You follow the routine. Today doesn't go as you expected. Doesn't matter. Tomorrow is a new day. You have a business. You don't expect open your shoe store and making $100,000 that day. It's impossible. This is a business. So if you're a positive person, like I said at the beginning, I was going to give you the answer. If you're a very positive person and you always think that's awesome, wake up like this every single day in the morning, but treat this business as a routine. What do I mean? Like, how do I do it? Like, you like when I give you like exactly what to do. All right, here's what I would do if I were you watching this video. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab a notebook. It costs like what, like $1. I'm gonna get a pen, 10 cents, and I'm gonna write exactly what's gonna be my routine every day. I don't need to write that every single day. Just one sheet. You're gonna put, all right, 7 a.m. in the morning, I'm gonna wake up. Depending on what time you trade, you could work out right now. You have to work out. No excuses. If you want to make it in this business, you got to work out. And any business, you got to work out. Chris, I don't like working out. Get out of here. I love people who take, care of themselves. So get out of here. Work out. 8:30 a.m. breakfast. 9 a.m. trading. 10 a.m. finish trading, or depending, I take like 50 minutes, 30 minutes to trade. Let's say 9 a.m. trading, 9:30 finished. You have a schedule. Either you have a pending order, you got placed, you got to wait for the end of the day, but you don't trade anymore. You don't place trades anymore. You can monitor those trades, but you don't place trades anymore. 10, reviewing previous trades. 1 hour, 2 hours, it doesn't matter. Lunch, after lunch, take a nap, play video games, go play basketball, do whatever is it that you love to do. This is obviously telling you a routine if I didn't have a job, right? If you have a job, you just got to adjust it. Like having the same thing. Oh, Chris, I only have 2 hours a day. All right, 1 hour is going to be for trading. The other one for reviewing your trades. Having a routine, doing it every day, you know what will happen? It will make it boring. When trading gets boring, that's when you become an actual trader. Money will come and go. But if you're changing your routine every day, you're just trying to figure out what's the key, what's the secret. It doesn't exist. So if you're thinking about giving up on day trading, think about what type of person you are out of the people that I just mentioned, the types of people that I just mentioned, and see if you can be the last person that I mentioned. If you can, you're good to go. I see people every day. I actually told the members in my group, congratulations today. I'm proud of you and your money management, because today was a quite slow day and people were like, okay, I just got out a 101 and that's it. I'm just going to continue Monday. People can't do that. That's the hardest thing to do in this business, to stop. Trust me, the hardest thing to do in this business is to stop trading. Everybody wants to place a trade. Think about it. Think about it. Today's Sunday when I'm posting this video. So think about it. And hopefully you can continue in this business. If you are able to become that type of person, there's a lot of money. There's a lot of freedom in this business. So hopefully this helps you out. If you enjoyed the content of this video, give a like. As usual, subscribe, because I always talk about mentality and everything. So maybe you want this content. And leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what type of person you are. And if you are willing to become the right type of people. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice Sunday. Keep on trading. I'll see you on the next one.